Hey guys, it's Alexia here. So today we are going to do an unboxing on my Michael Kors bag. Just a disclaimer, I am not bragging in any way on the things that I have. It's just a video for you guys to help you decide on what bag are you going to get. Before I bought this bag, I also searched on YouTube videos about this bag, reviews, unboxing, for me to decide whether or not I should get it. And I got it already. I just got this a while ago. I decided to do a video about it. So if you guys are interested in this bag, please keep on watching. Okay, so I bought this bag at the Michael Kors website. I will link it below if you guys want to check it out. The name of it is the Sloan small quilted leather shoulder bag. I kind of unboxed this already a while ago. Sorry if this is not like a complete unboxing, but I did not remove everything, so you guys could also see and get the feel of it when you unbox it. So when you open the box, it looks like this. Box niya, it's already outside. We had to disinfect it, so I wasn't able to open it because my dad disinfected the things. So when you open the box, it looks like this. So they have a plastic. So when you open the plastic, I saw this already, okay, so this is not really like my initial reaction, but I haven't opened it fully, so yes. So when you open it, it looks like this. So meron siyang tali supposedly here, but I removed it already. But then the chains, I did not remove it yet, like the cover of the chains. Then the bag is covered with this MK kind of paper. So when you open it, this is the bag. It's so pretty. I just got the black one. So yeah, the Sloan small quilted leather shoulder bag and the color black. Tanggalin na muna natin everything. This is so... Guys, I'm removing it. Look at the chain. It's so pretty. So, yes. Ito yung initial reaction ko sa chain. Kasi I haven't seen it a while ago. Kasi hindi ko siya tinanggal. I didn't completely unbox it. Just so I could unbox it in the video. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wait. Wait, I'm having a hard time. I don't have any scissors here, so I'm sorry. I'm just opening it with my bare hands. Oh my gosh! Wait, hold on. Okay, there. Oh my god, it's so pretty! So excited. Okay. I'm so excited to go out and use this bag. Oh, okay. So, dalawa pala yung... Akala ko isa lang, pero isang side lang yung may ganito. Pero dalawa pala siya. Okay. So, it's so pretty. This one is the bag. So, yeah. And then, there's a compartment here at the back. So, this is the back of the bag. It has a compartment. So, let's just remove this. So, ayan. The compartment, it has this clip-on button on thing on the compartment at the back, and then the front, when you open it, just have to push here. So you can see there's a Michael Kors logo. You just push it, it will open up like that. And then let's remove this. So there you go. When you remove it, there are things stuffed inside. So tanggalin lang natin siya. So just random bag filler. Oh wait, I should get the scissors. May nakasabit sa ano niya, sa lock niya, the tag. Nakasabit siya, so I need to get the scissors. So ayan, I got the scissors already, and then I'm just gonna cut the tag. I've cut the tag already. So this is just the tag. You'll have this name of product thing, and then the Michael Kors tag. So ayan. Okay, so that's it. Oh my god, ang ganda niya. Ang ganda niya, besh. Oh, this is the back part of it. There's a compartment here. And then, when you open it, it looks like this. When you open it, so there's a, like, the first compartment here, and then the second one here. So, at the first one here, hirap pala nito. So, when you open it, here, the first compartment, there's a pocket here. You can put stuff here. At the second compartment, there's a kind of a zipper here. Wala siyang ganito, yung pocket. Ano siya, zipper kind of pocket. So, when you open it, oh, may tag pa pala. Oh, not yours. May tag pa pala siya. It's a care card. So yes, when you open it, there is a zipper. Then at the middle, there's a compartment here. So ayan lang. It is a crossbody or shoulder bag like this. You could also pull this one and wear it as a shoulder bag. Hindi ko madademo ng like sinusuot ko because I'm just wearing shorts. Pero wait lang, I'll try to show it to you kung kaya. Ayan, you just wear it like this, like that. And then, pwede mo siyang ganunin, wear it like this. Or kaya, crossbody, ayan. Now, let's try kung anong kasya sa loob ng bag. Siyempre, unang-una, wallet. Pero kasi, wala pa akong wallet na binili. I am planning to buy like a wallet for this bag because I don't want to use my old wallet. Pero I haven't bought a wallet yet and I didn't bought sa Michael Kors just because actually I was debating whether or not to get a different wallet and a different brand, like siguro Coach ganon or Michael Kors ulit. But yes, I haven't decided on which wallet I should get yet. So, for now, I'm gonna put my wallet. I mean, like, hindi ko siya nalinis. But yes, this is my wallet to school. And whenever I go out, it's a compact wallet. But yes, ayoko pa naman sana siya ipasok dito. Pero okay, try natin. For the sake of this video. I put my wallet because that's important. And then phone. Pero kasi guys, whenever I go out, I don't really put my phone sa loob ng bag. Like I always hold it lang. As in palagi siya nasa kamay ko or nasa pocket ko. But most of the time is hawak ko siya. And I'm using my phone to film so I can't really show it. Imagine naman lang my phone. And then power bank. O sige, power bank na lang yung phone. Kunwari. Pero kasi I bring power bank rin. Pero I think most of the people don't really carry around power bank. So let's pretend it's a phone. This is my power bank. I'm gonna put it inside. So there, I put the power bank here. Sorry, black din kasi yung power bank ko. So I just hope you can see. There, this one. What do I normally bring? Hindi lang kasi dinadala ko talaga on a daily basis. Of course, if we have a power bank cord. Yes, beside the power bank na lang. O sige, dyan na yung cord. So ayan, dyan na yung cord. I guess like a mirror. In the front compartment here. Hirap nito ha. Okay, at the front compartment. Here sa pouch niya. There. And 2 lip gloss. I normally bring like a lip gloss and 1 lipstick or a lip balm or carry anything. Basta 2 lip products. So let's put it here. Also at the pocket beside the mirror. So there, pahiga ko siya nilagay. Hey, that's it. That's what... Yeah, yun lang yung dinadala ko. Oh, wait. And perfume. This is like a small... Nilalagay ko yung perfume ko dito. So, I'll also put that lip gloss ko. There. Wala na akong nilalagay. Ano pa ba nilalagay? Alcohol. Pero kasi I'm planning to buy like the small alcohol. So, and I don't really go out this quarantine. I mean, team pa ba tayo? Basta bawal yung basta. This pandemic, I don't really go out this pandemic. I barely go out. I only go out when it's necessary, like buy school stuff for projects, really bring alcohol kasi yung alcohol na ginagamit ko is yung nasa car na. But yes, I'm planning to buy like yung Oxycure na alcohol, like really tiny alcohol. So, yes, it's probably gonna go in here para madaling makuha. What do I bring? I don't know na. AirPods. Usually, when I bring AirPods, I just really hang it with my bag. But if I would bring AirPods, why I bought this case is for me to hang. But if I'm gonna put the AirPods inside my bag, I just remove the case. So my AirPods Pro, I am just going to put my wallet here. May space pa siya. There. So I'm gonna put it there. Yes, actually madami pang space eh. I don't know what to put na. Ano pa ba? Car charger. Sige, sabihin na natin car charger. So, yan o, car charger. And my keys. Ang bangat na ng keychain ko, sorry. Maganda to dati. To still, but now it's rusty. My keys. Cover ko lang yung, they're so like this, but yes, tanggalin, tataas ko lang yan. My keys. Dalawa lang yung keys ko sa room ko and then the house. And usually, sinasabit ko rin here, like here sa hook niya, is the car keys. So, kunwari na lang andun yung car keys. And then, I put it... So, ayun siya. Notice, wala pa nga akong nilalagay sa pocket here. Like the zip pocket here. And here sa gitna. Yeah. That's what I bring. Madami pang space. But, yes. And I didn't put here pa. So, kunwari, alcohol nga. Ayun. So, ayun. Madami pa siyang space. Tada! So, if you're planning to put other stuff pa inside, you can put. One is the small one, the Sloan small. They also have another size. It's the large one. So, dalawang size lang yun. From what I know, they have the small one and then the large one. So mine is the small one, and as you can see, I can put a lot of things in this small baby right here. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention pala, kasi na-unbox ko na nga pala siya kanina. But yes, when you unbox it, here in this zipper compartment sa gitna, get a dust bag. Michael Kors dust bag. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and kahit na mahirap lang ipakita, I also do hope that I was able to help you decide on what kind of bag you want to buy. If you really want to buy this bag, I must say, so if you're like me, bag is enough for you. Actually, marami ka pang space malalagay. Hindi ko pa nga siya na-fill up ng buo. But yes, if you're like me, then this bag is perfect. It's so nice. It can be a formal bag. It can be a casual bag. I believe this retails at around 20. I am not sure, okay? Basta 20 pataas. And if they have sale, which is bihira lang mag-sale ang Michael Kors, I think, syempre less than that. But yes, original price is at around 20,000 something. Basta I will link it down below. So, yes, I hope you guys like this video and I was able to help you decide. That's it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell below to be notified every time I post a new video. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Don't really mind if you're gonna take all my clothes off.